no start here. Wow. Hey, na nipa wu e de na abenya. No, nipa wu a e de be pa na abenya. Me ba to vice president wu a ye position no e be ma. Ana incentives na ya cho constitution wu a ye be ma wana. Ye fa ma wo. Ghana ye nya say we like bad news.
But we're happy to have you. The doctors say you are 20 years younger and that you are okay and fit for the job. But we'll ask that you take it easy for a little while and afterwards we'll see how things go. So thank you very much on behalf of all our colleagues, on behalf of all Ghanaians. I'm sure today Ghanaians will be very happy.
I want to say thanks to God. His mercies have been infinite as always and I'm very grateful.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, Xposed GH FM Bros. Subscribe, share. Minute 2 man now on Zakabi. Ene Ghana yate denne. Oba fefe, oba sono, oba sebe. Agree one trim. Oba nyamede na Ghana. Mami Jane, the Vice President of Ghana. She has returned. I mo amosu wa wunu. Oh, ya kwa video ne mara.
On behalf of the people of Ghana, we wish to warmly welcome our beloved Vice President back home. It has been a trying time for everybody, and a lot of prayers were said for your safe return. And so today is a special day that you have stepped back in the country, on the land of Ghana, hale and hearty, looking younger, looking cheerful. And we thank God for His mercies. Since you left, your colleagues, we've all missed you. We held the 120-day social contract program, and everybody said you should have been there. But with all the work you did before you went, we continued. And I think that we're able to present to the people of Ghana a significant percentage of the things that we had promised. But in all this, you were missed. Ghana is safe. Things are seem to be on the right track. And you've come at the right time to come and continue the work that you so beautifully started. And your colleagues were very happy to have you back. I particularly have missed you because even traveling out of the country has been difficult. They've threatened to impeach me for for going to Togo when you were away. So you are warmly welcome. We are grateful to all the staff outside there who looked after you. Our embassy staff in London. I came there myself and you told me how courteous they had been and how they had been of help. But I think in all this, it raises the issues of us improving our health care so that we can handle emergencies like this. We built a quintennial hospital, which is the UGMC, but it's still not at the stage where it can handle some of these cases. And so it's a call to duty that we should implement it the way Professor Mills had intended it to be, so that in future things like this can be, emergencies like this can be handled, without us having to fly out. But we're happy to have you. The doctors say you are 20 years younger, and that you are okay and fit for the job. But we'll ask that you take it easy for a little while, and afterwards we'll see how things go. So thank you very much on behalf of all our colleagues, on behalf of all Ghanaians. I'm sure today Ghanaians will be very happy.
I want to say thanks to God. His mercies have been infinite, as always, and I'm very grateful. I express gratitude to the medical staff too, for seeing the right thing, for making the right proposals. And to my boss, that day, I don't know where you appeared from, but he came and quickly set in motion what we needed to do. And I also want to thank all of you, your prayers, for your good wishes. I can't be thankful enough. I'm very grateful. But I need to isolate, beyond family and friends, your brother, Mr. Ibrahim. He stopped at nothing to ensure that I had what I needed. And then he also came to the hospital. He came to sit by me, and that was healing by itself. So, my little boss, I'm very, very grateful. So I'm very happy to be back. And there's so much that has happened that we all need to do. And I know that with our collective we'll do much more for our country.
I Ghana for more of we miss him. Oh, Mamma, no, you. Yes, John Mahama. Every no miss you. What not what Jessica drew in Ghana for? What Jimmy? I blogger be. I from San Grammy person with you. Open up start here. Whoa. Hey, not the power. And then Abenya. No, ni pewua. And then be pan Abenya. We but vice president who are in position no ebema. And now incentives na ya constitution owua. Ghana, yenya say we like bad news. Share or comment Ghana no. That is what we should be fighting. Not vice president Sir President Ghana must go on. Now when you know a political gimmick, sabe unjimi ya wuni actually. Debi am say it's high time. Me ne wuni na no ye badwe adwepapa afa Ghana ho. Enema mi Jane wasi waba beye adwuma. The first vice female president of Ghana, me boni di anma sorry, waba beye adwuma. It means say ewiase nipa onye nyame. Ma nipa nyina nkasa nyame kasa na esi. Pap girl bia no wa broche esi Ghana jollof say the we jimisi bibia or say vice president ewu or doctor no hospital no unse ni nyina ye ntro. Dey bia me tell say this social media whatever you see check and recheck. Time na near journalism school no. Yes, every story you hear no, you check and double check so that you won't go and make false accusation. And then obia sorry or say me a journalist. Obia sorry or say me a blogger. Kwasi obia sorry or say me a journalist. And only ene. But in Shranke nyami o hatasro. Say Mama Jane waba onwi. Mama Jane who den. Na waba se oba beye na adwuma. Xposed GHFM member subscribe share. Me too mana on saka be manuasi.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.